Welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create free AI videos like this completely for free. Alright, let's get into it. We're going to head over to Pinterest to get the image that we're going to use for our AI video. Once you've gotten it, to download. Now we're going to use ChatGPT to generate a city room that fits the exact building, so we can be able to maintain consistency in the weather and everything. Then you head over to Google Veo. Here we are going to use this particular AI to create free AI videos, and you head over to upload the image that you're going to use as your start frame. You have that as your start frame, then you go to select your end frame. So it's going to transition from the start frame, which is the outside, to the end frame, which is the sitting room. There you have it. So you're going to input this particular font. A cinematic luxury real estate shot modern 2-story mansion at sunset with warm interior lighting and large glass windows. Start with a smooth exterior wide shot, then slowly pushes the camera towards the front entrance. As the camera reaches the door, it automatically opens and the camera glides seamlessly into a warm minimalistic living room with wood panel walls, recessed LED ceiling lights, fireplace, luxury sofa, modern furniture, and large panoramic windows. Ends with a clean, minimalistic interior frames, ultra realistic architectural visualization, smooth stabilized camera motion, soft golden hour lighting, realistic reflection, premium real estate, commercial style, 4K 16:9, 8 seconds for the duration, seamless transition, no clip, no distortion, no shaky motion. Then you paste your prompt. After pasting your prompt, you confirm to make sure that there are no mistakes, and you hit generate, and it starts to generate. You can see that it is loading and it takes time to generate, but after some time you get your video. Here is our video, and this is the outcome. This is so neat and hyper realistic. If you like this video and you found it useful, make sure you like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, and share also to your friends. My name is Victor Emeka, and I will see you on the next one.